Hey everyone, it's Lisa, and today I'm going to do a fun video. I have partnered with Walmart to bring you some of the prettiest spring and summer dresses. I have this top that I have on now that I adore. You guys know how much I love ruffled sleeves. And then I have a few things that I purchased, one in store and a couple I ordered online for Brooke that I'm going to show you. And then I'm going to try on each thing. I ordered, I don't know, there's like, I think 4 or 5 dresses because, you know, that's my favorite thing in the summer. And then I also ordered at least 2 pair of shoes that are supposed to be here today. And I'll be honest, I thought that they would be here. Typically, my mail has come by now, but they aren't here yet. So I'm hoping by the end of this video, they will be here because one pair are really pretty and practical. The other pair are really pretty and they're still practical too. They're a little bit, you know, fancier. I was just so excited about both of them. So I really hope that they make it. But first of all, I'm going to show you the things that I got for Brooke. This is one of them. And I love this top. I love this top so much that I wanted to get it for myself. It comes in like lavender, like a real pretty rose color. And does it come in black? It was like several colors. But I just know that with this neckline, it's not gonna work for me, but that is just such a pretty top. And it probably won't work for Brooke either, but she can wear like she could wear a bathing suit top or a tube top or something underneath it. And because she's not big, it will look really good on her. And it is no boundaries. And the size I got her is the small, which is 3 to 5, and it was $11.96. And she is very excited about wearing it. And these I spotted online and I showed them to her. She was like, oh my gosh, I love these. They are a nice little cool pair of tennis shoes. They're Champion, which Champion really has made a comeback. If you hear the doors squeaking, our study doors are like the double doors. And they have that thing in the top that's supposed to catch and make them stay. And as the house has settled and everything and the different seasons, they don't stay. So the air makes them go back and forth and make that creepy haunted house sound. Anyway, these are the tennis shoes I got for her. Are they not the cutest shoes? I think they are so pretty. I love the color. It's called, had a cool name, Spiced Almond. And I just think that they are so pretty. And then to go along with it, I got her these socks. And these remind me, they take me back to my childhood. Look, the pink ones with the Champion. Even if you just wore these around the house, like when you're just, you know, cozy, I love the way they look. And let's see if it says the price here, $16 for 3 pair. And they feel really soft and nice. Sometimes these kind of feel hard, but they're not. They're really, really soft. So I think these and these, oh my gosh, is that not the cutest thing? My story, you guys like my sappy stories. I remember when I was probably, I would say, it was before I was driving. So I would say 13, 14, 15. I had some socks that were like this, but each one had pastel stripes. Like I think there was purple stripes, pink stripes, like a lime green. And I got those right before I went to the beach. And you know, at the beach, you do not wear tennis shoes and socks. But I, being the clothes lover that I am, I loved those socks so much that I would get off the beach, take a shower, and put those socks and shoes on. And my grandmother was like, aren't you hot with those socks and shoes on? And I was like, no, because I wanted to wear those socks so bad. So it just reminds me of that. I can remember so many little things of my childhood that had to do with clothes. And before I get on to the rest of the stuff, I wanted to mention I do have a Walmart beauty hair, a really good haul coming up soon. I'm just waiting on a few more things. And I just wanted to mention this again. I tried this in it was my last, I've told you about it several times, but I featured it in my last Walmart beauty video. And this is the best dry shampoo. It is my favorite above every other high-end shampoo. I really, really love it. I used it today. All I did was brush out my hair, and then I like to just go up under each, you know, I'll do it like along the part like this, like pick up, and then I'll do it up underneath here, and just, it makes your hair look fresh as a daisy, and it smells really good. Matter of fact, it's one of those that I actually really, really like the smell. Like it brings back good memories or good vibes when I put it in. And so I just wanted to mention that because it's one of my favorite things that I've gotten in a while. Okay, so let the party begin. Let's go ahead with some fun clothes. This top is the women's crochet flutter tank. It is the medium, which says 4, I'm not sure about that. And this is of course black, and it comes in several colors, and I may end up getting it in the white. I just love it. It's by Scoop. Oh my goodness, thank goodness for Scoop. They have just got so many good things. And so I just have on a black like bralette, probably one of the ones from Walmart, and I've actually just paired it with these. I wanted some like summery looking jeans to put it with. I think it would look great also with white jeans, and I do have some of those left from last year, but these are some of the ones I showed you last time, and they're just really comfortable. I really like the length of them. I love the wide legs, but they're not so wide that you feel like, you know, some of them are just so wide they're ridiculous. But I love these, and so I will list these jeans down below too. And I just love this top. Doesn't it just scream summer? And I just have always loved, I think these sleeves just make your shoulders and your arms look pretty. The first dress is also Scoop, and the jeans were Scoop also. And this is probably one of my favorite things. And I just love this is something I've always loved. I've always loved like tube tops. I think when you grow up at the beach too, like, I can remember my mom always wearing stuff like this, like in the yard and everything. And I just love this. And I love the print. Is that not the coolest black and white print? It's almost like an animal print. I don't know if it's supposed to be leopard, but it's not like over the top. And it's just so light and flowy. When I showed it to Brooke, when I first got it, she was like, yeah, that would be a great beach cover up. So you could easily wear it like to the pool or to the beach or just around your house. I mean, something like this, you could not get any more comfortable. I like stuff like this that is comfy and still so pretty. And you could put a really cool big like statement necklace. If the bare shoulders thing isn't for you, you could easily put a blazer, a jean jacket would look fabulous over this. And it's just something so much fun. I was so worried this dress was going to be too big because I love it. Look at how beautiful the print is. It is so, I feel like it is such a sweet dress. It has a beautiful neckline. You guys know I love the sleeves. And then look at the back. It has like the keyhole back, but yet I'm wearing a normal bra and it doesn't show. I just have it on with a wedge flip-flop, but you could put it on with a nice pair of wedges, like the Time and True wedges that I showed you last year. Or just, I think the beauty of dresses in the summer are being able to throw them on, feel good, look pretty. It's nice to me to not walk around in sweats and stuff all the time. And this also, I mean, you could wear this to a wedding, especially an outdoor wedding. Oh, and it has the nice little slit right there. That's nice, and it's not too high. Or it's just a really pretty dress, I think. Just for fun, I want to try it on with a belt too. I think that even, look at that, that even elevates it that much more. I love it. Beautiful, especially with some sandals this color. It'll be so pretty. Okay, you guys, who remembers Jordache? I love this dress so much. I have always loved denim dresses. I've probably had a few here on YouTube. Definitely I had all kinds of denim dresses when I was like in my 20s and even younger, and I love this one. It is just a good length. It's fitted perfectly. It really really does unbutton the whole way. That is how I made the mistake of putting it over my head, but I think it's better if you do it and pull it up, because I had to like get everything straight. But I love it. And the straps, I'm wearing a real bra and the straps are covering that, and I just think it's super cute. And the buttons, I think, lay down real pretty. Like sometimes you have to, you know, watch out for buttons like this because they could pucker the wrong way. And then it has pockets. Just the cutest dress. This would look so good with like a pair of red wedges or red flip-flops. Just so pretty. This dress is too big for me. I got the medium, which is an 8 to 10, and it looks like I needed the small, but I still wanted to show it to you because I know that not everyone likes to wear short sleeves or no sleeves, and this would be a great dress. It's a good transition dress, and I just was impressed with first I love the color, and the fabric is just so smooth and pretty, but it's thin but not too thin. It's just really, really a pretty dress. My mom looks good in like this style of shirt, like the camp style shirts. And so I guess this would be like considered like a shirt dress. It has a nice hemline that tucks up on the sides. I love that. And I just put it on with a pair of nude slingbacks, and I just think it's a beautiful dress. This would also be great like if you work in an office setting, where I know when I worked with a bunch of men and I worked in the office, they would freeze us out of there because they had coats, ties, you know, they were hot and they were going in and out, and so we had to wear like sweaters and jackets and stuff like this in the middle of summer just to keep from freezing to death. And I do love the buttons. It's just really pretty. I'm gonna see if they have it in my local Walmart. I've never had any trouble exchanging things that I purchased online or returning something that isn't available in my store, as long as it's, you know, from Walmart. And so I love this. I think this may be my favorite one. This is the Sofia Vergara, and if you've been watching me, you know I love like the little straps that are like that. I have a couple of dresses already that have that, and I love this color. Love like this higher waistline. It's just so flattering. It's a beautiful length, and I just paired it with those same, just any nude sandal will do, or even you could still wear it with your flip-flops if you wanted to, or a flat sandal. It would look good at the beach barefooted. I just love it. I think it's so feminine. It zips up the side. Let me show you the back of it. The straps right. So I am wearing a bra with this too, and it's going right over the bra straps. I love that. So definitely one of my favorites. And when you can't decide on what color, you get both. I love both colors. I think they just look pretty different too. You know, this just looks a little bit, I don't know, a little bit more serious, but I love blue and John loves blue. And I think the blue also looks good with the just black flip-flops. If I had to choose, I think I would choose the other one, but I'm gonna keep both of them. And these are Sofia Vergara, and both of these came with the cool little bracelet. The dresses are from Sofia Vergara, Sofia Jeans by Sofia Vergara. Another great line that Walmart has added. Between this, Scoop, the Jordache is great. I love the No Boundaries, the Time and True. Just once you get to know the brands that you love, it's so easy to just go online and see what they've got new. And of course, I'm sure you have a Walmart near you too, like I do, but love this. Okay everyone, that is it. And if those shoes come by the time I edit this video, I will be sure to add them. Otherwise, I will put links to those down below, and just keep watching my Instagram and my videos. You'll see me wearing those coming up soon. I love this. Oh, this is so pretty. Does it make my eyes look blue? It's about the same color as my eyes. Thanks again to Walmart for asking me to be a part of this, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I got home and had 2 packages on my front porch. So we're gonna open these and see what I got. Oh, these are the ones I'm most excited about. They are Sam Edelman Circus. And let's hope they fit. They are so pretty. Look at these. Are they not gorgeous? Look at the toe that's so on trend right now. Yay, I love them. And you guys know I love metallic shoes. They are just so pretty. Love them. And I got just my true size 8. So we shall see on this. Let me open the other box I've got here and then I'll try these on for you. These are from Melrose Avenue, Los Angeles. It says 100% vegan. And these, oh, these are so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are really nice looking. Look at those, aren't they pretty? So I think like these would go so well with these dresses like this. Okay, I'm gonna put these on and then show you real quick. Okay, so let's do shoe cam. Please, no judgment on my quarantine toes. But these, wow, these are very, very, very comfortable. Just plenty of room for your foot and a good heel. And really, really, really pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these right here. And now Bridget's crying. Why are you crying, Bridget? Come here, come here, come here. Oh, you guys, these, I think these are almost more comfortable. I guess I like the ones with the toe, but look how pretty these are. Beautiful. I love them. I'm so glad you guys got to see them because I am going to wear these all the time, like with my little black dresses or just with anything because they're a nude. I mean, you definitely could wear them with this dress, but I think the other ones look better with a dress like this. Beautiful. Bridget. Bridgie. Sassy, come here, Daddy. Come here. Come here, Daddy girl. Hey, baby. Hey. You gonna see Mama? Say hey, everybody. My real name is Amber Stacy, but I go by Sassy Girl or Tati. And I'm the sweetest girl. I'm the sweetest girl, yes. Yes. Bridget. Come here, Bridgie. I see you. Come here. Come here. My baby. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Where's Nene? Okay, guys. Our power just went off for the second time today. So I don't know what's going on. Last time it was off for a couple of hours. Luckily, I'm using my phone, but I need to upload to my computer. Anyway, so that's why the lighting is different. I don't have any lights on. Guys, thanks. See you on Friday. Bye-bye.